Ulat kejala Brigadier Dr. BD Mishra habai Shimanta hak jinrakhe yak Republic Day ke bah nyopusau bat ke jingthep sanpuis nam jong ke jingyo yak jala Meghalaya ke bapura bat ke badairu kisngi balajan ke election nak menta banjit ekonomi khmat saka yeng dor bar thau ain ke jala ka banlong hak ar pnyo terik brai rempang ulat labu ke jingkentu ya boro ki paidbah nong song snong ke jala ki balak kenjo saka khat pras nam saneng makin yami paidbah bat ban ya Shimanta shirham hak jingthep bot dakalinti bejai-jai hakani ke jinrakhe ke Republic Day ke bah nyopusau ya kepala penlong Hamadan Pulu ha kebau ulat kejelau Brigadier Dr. BD Mishra ulah penher ya kala malai dong jong kari India ha ke jingrakhi kepala penlong Hamadan Pulu bat balai Shimentaru ya ke selut ya ke kenhun bawan bani Shimenta bakentup ya ke CRPF East Castles DEF 1st MLP Battalion SF10 Indian Reserve Battalion na Arunachal Pradesh ki khana ke NCC kenthei bat senrang Indian Red Cross Society Unitarian Higher Secondary School Puriang GNV Mauplang bat ke Brass Ban jong ke Border Wing Home Guard hagani ke si ki ladunru ki jibrna na ke benta ke jingyo ya ke President Medal Home Guard and Civil Defense Medal halor ke President Police Medal ke Chief Minister Police Medal Araja Arpwar bat hagani ke juga si ulat ke jela ulah samru ya khusnam Singh Award Arajar Arpulai na ke bentak Art and Culture Shaka Kong Switiman Renja Patagon and Sangma Award Arajar Arpulai na ke bentak Social Service Shaka Dr. Jennifer V Basayomoy bat ukyang nang ba Award Arajar Arpulai na ke bentak ki kami lekai Shau Shri Klingson di Marang kiwi di ki jirakhi hakani ke si ki kentup ya ki jingshat tanrai bat ke jingpini ina mi ki tiblu ki kentup naknat AH and Veterinary DCIC East Castles Dairy Development MSSDS Office Jong Chief Electoral Officer Social Welfare Department Meghalaya H Limited Horticulture Department Fisheries Soil and Water Conservation Forest and Environment Department bat ka District Basin Development Unit East Castles kinong job hak bay day bat ka jingpini gitablu College Shakatnat Horticulture Department ka baar Shakatnat AH Veterinary Department bat ka balai College Shaka DCIC East Castles
इकात कलाम में कौन से गुजरेंगे नंबर 1 लौटान आगे निकल आए चल धीरे में तारा चलेगा लाइने मूव
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives us immense pride to present to you the 11th marching contingent in this year's Republic Day celebration. Leading the contingent today is Parade Commander Shri Ivan Benson Dingdor MPS, followed by the second in command, Inspector Rajan Bodoloy of the Meghalaya Police. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is the contingent of the CRPF led by Sub-Inspector Anand Mehta. Following closely is the contingent of the DEF East Khasi Hills led by Arm Branch Sub-Inspector Norbert Brinkler. followed by the 1st MLP Battalion led by Armed Branch Sub-Inspector Jimbert Sangma. Approaching the dais now is the contingent of the SF-10 of the Meghalaya Police, led by Armed Branch Sub-Inspector Shanbon Lingdo. As part of the interstate exchange, we have the Indian Reserve Battalion from Arunachal Pradesh, led by Sub-Inspector Mojan Moyong. Followed by the contingent of the Boys NCC, led by Senior Under Officer Shri Subhas Kumar Rai. And the contingent of the Girls NCC, commanded by Junior Under Officer Ms. Mary Wanbok Susham. Closely followed by the Indian Red Cross Society, led by Mr. Pravesh Boral. And participating for the first time, the Unitarian Higher Secondary School, Purian, led by Ms. Sabika Karluki. And the JNV Mauplang School is being led by Mr. Walambok Nongkar. And the brass band drawn from the border wing of the Home Guard is being led by Havaldar Prafula Pasumatri.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of the marching contingents at the 74th Republic Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by the contingents and drill masters, braving the chills of these past few days.
One shot. One shot.
Consequent to our independence, which came about on account of the selfless fights of our great leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and the ultimate sacrifice of our great martyrs like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Let us today pay homage to all of them. We also owe our gratitude to patriots of Meghalaya, U Tirot Singh, U Kiang Nagwa, Patogan, and Sangma. On this occasion, I would also like to express my gratitude to the members of the Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces, and the Meghalaya Police for their selfless service to ensure the unity and integrity of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, our state Meghalaya, with a population of around 38 lakhs, is home of three major tribes, that is Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia, and many smaller tribes, as also people of other ethnicity. We all have been living in unity for ages. Let us today resolve to remain united and continue to be together in peace and harmony. With great pride, enthusiasm, and hope, on 21st January 2023, we have celebrated our 51st anniversary of statehood. Let us also remember the sacrifices of non-violent struggle of our great leaders and the citizens of this hill state movement who got us the statehood. Our state is known for natural heritage like living root bridges, beautiful waterfalls, limestone caves, unique sacred groves, and mesmerizing natural beauty. Our rich cultural heritage is embodied in the practices of the tribal people, including dances and music. Their unique horticultural products like Lakdong turmeric, Khasi mandarin oranges, and beautiful eri silk fabric known as Ahimsa silk. We have traditional institutions of governance at the community level. Local communities are very dedicated to conserve and improve the ecosystem in our state. This year, Government of Meghalaya has published its first Sustainable Development Goals Budget Report. For overall progress of the state, let us jointly promote and take it forward for a better Meghalaya. It is heartening that the overall law and order situation in the state has been peaceful. The state government has taken steps to move towards a permanent solution to long-standing border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. A memorandum of understanding has already been signed between the two states in the presence of the Honorable Union Home Minister for resolving 6 out of 12 areas of disputes. In a historic development, the HNLC has expressed its willingness for unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. The talks have since started. In this regard, we are thankful to the Government of India for their support in the run of strengthening our constitutional democracy. The State Election Department has taken all steps to improve enrollment of voters under the tagline, "No voter should be left behind," under the Systematic Voter Education and Enrollment Program. The 13th National Voters' Day 2023 with the theme, "I vote for sure, there's nothing like voting," was successfully celebrated at the state and district levels on 25th January 2023. To ensure that all eligible voters exercise their franchise in a free and fair manner, in the upcoming assembly elections. By the way of constitutional festival, the Election Commission of India has announced the schedule of election to the Meghalaya State Assembly. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge all my people, particularly the young eligible voters, to exercise their right of franchise freely, fairly, and to maintain the best traditions of peace and harmony during the elections.
Meghalaya Shakti Women Commando Warriors of the SF-10 commenced their training on 13th November 2022. The WPCs have been rigorously trained in advanced PT, UAC, silent drill, littering operation, night firing, long distance running, advanced obstacles, etc. The training schedule was pretty tough. It started early morning at 5 a.m. with the commando PT and stretched till 5 p.m. with hardly any break in between.
We are sure that the spectacular silent drill will capture the imagination of spectators present here.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
The magnificent music of the BSF band will blend perfectly with the steps of the marching Meghalaya Shakti Women Commandos, and we're pretty sure that our jaws will drop further when we see them in action for a while. The Meghalaya Shakti Women Commando Warriors Unit of SF-10 is the second women commando unit in the entire country to be trained in silent drill. The silent drill is a unique silent precision exhibition drill in handling rifle made famous by the US Marines. The commandos are going to execute a series of calculated drill movements with precise handling of their 303 rifles weighing 4.2 kilograms. behind the silent drill and other aspects of advanced commando training is a committed team of highly qualified instructors. These instructors were selected from all units of Meghalaya Police who had practical knowledge in both jungle and urban warfare. They included one lady instructor who is the first woman from Meghalaya to conquer Mount Everest, along with 3 highly qualified and experienced instructors from the 8th Assam Police Battalion to impart training in silent drill. They have really worked hard to metamorphose the women police constable into commandos. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand for these fierce ladies of the SF-10.
The Megha Shakti Women Commando Warriors of SF-10 are displaying the words Jai Hind as a salutation to the Chief Guest, His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired.
That was indeed enthralling. Ladies and gentlemen, the silent drill displays a combination of skill, discipline and grit. Can we have a final round of applause for the Megha Shakti Women Commando Warriors of the Special 10 of Meghalaya Police? Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Megha Shakti Women Commando Warriors of the Special Force 10 of the Meghalaya Police. the only second women commando unit in the entire country to be trained in silent drill. Please give them a round of applause.
Paten yo iwo